Hi friends, in this video I'm gonna show how to fix channel 5 and 6 issue in Flysky CT6B remote. So let's get started. Now I have a transmitter with the same complaint. So this is the one side of the cable. This is another side of the cable which is given within the box. So now I connect the USB type of the cable to my laptop. So red light will glow. So before that you need to install the driver for that cable. So now this is my transmitter Flysky CT6B. I connect the another end of the cable to that socket. And switch on the transmitter. Now I open the software called T6config. So in this software, click settings and select the port number. So my port number is COM3. This is differ for you. So now I access my channel 3, channel 4 as well as channel 1 and 2. So all the 4 channels are working, but I can't able to work with channel 5 and 6. So now I have a fix for that. So click open button. I have the file called default settings which is given on the description below, so you can download and open it. And now you are able to change the all channels. So channel 3 is working fine, channel 4 is, and channel 2 and 1, channel 5 and 6. So all the channels are now working. So that's all my friends. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.